I'm here in my 1997 Toyota 4Runner Limited. It is a third generation. It is two-wheel drive. Yeah, everybody talks about that. But I bought this used from a neighbor. He was the second owner. The first owner was his son. His son had it for 2 or 3 years, gave it to him in 99, 2000, and he maintained it ever since. The gentleman was an older guy, and he relocated, and I bought it. It has a new battery, recently upgraded, replaced AC compressor, front rotors. The timing belt was done at the proper service interval, an oil change, a detail, new leather on the driver's seat, and lots of other maintenance. But the purpose of this video, because I am selling this Toyota, this third gen, is to just do a driving ride along with it. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to drive, and you can watch it. And whether you're buying a Toyota third gen or you own one, this is what it's like. Enjoy. And the AC is on low, if you hear the AC. right now I'm going 55. A little bit over the speed limit, I know. But I wanted you to kind of hear the interior noise, the shifting, and what it's like. It's a very smooth ride. Pretty capable vehicle. I do enjoy driving it. Slowing down to 35 to take this turn. Brakes kind of hard just to show it it doesn't veer or anything because of the new brakes that we've put on. It accelerates very nicely as I just did there. Slow down to 30 and then do a wide open throttle. I'm at 30 and I'm doing wide open throttle. So I hit about 65. So that's going 30 to 65 wide open throttle, no hesitation. No sluggish, perfect acceleration for a 24-year-old third generation Toyota. That's going to pretty much conclude. I'm coming back up on my home here momentarily. We did about 9 miles roughly. We hit speeds up to 65. Average speed was about 45. We did some hard braking. This is a 1997 Toyota 4Runner 3rd gen. It's a limited, and I am selling it out of my car collection. It doesn't quite fit my car collection theme, and I don't enjoy it as much as some of the other cars I daily. Just personal preference. It's a great vehicle. It's just not going to be a vehicle that I'm going to keep. Perfect if you have a place out at the beach and just want something to cruise. It's really cool putting that glass down. Perfect if you need a reliable daily driver. And if you know these 3rd gen Toyotas, they are tanks. Made in Japan, shipped over, easily to get parts and cheap to maintain. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this video a little helpful and enjoyed the ride along in this 1997 Toyota 4Runner Limited, the 3rd generation.